Hey there, how's it going everybody? Welcome back, Plant Abundance here. Alice and I are out in the backyard food forest once again on this beautiful Sunday morning. We're going to go about harvesting some breakfast. We were thinking about doing some breakfast burritos today, so we're going to be harvesting some fresh chicken eggs, some potatoes, tomatoes, and some greens, and throw together a really delicious and healthy breakfast on the cheap. Alright, so we're going to go harvest the chicken eggs first. Chickens have been laying like crazy lately. Let's go grab some potatoes. We've got potatoes growing all around the food forest, probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 different patches at this point.
That one is for the soup. This is good for the soup, huh?
Should be good for breakfast. You want to harvest that onion right there?
Oh, it's big.
Alright, for the greens, let's get some longevity spinach. This hugelkultur here, you can see there's Armenian cucumbers growing all over the top, but then beneath that we've got longevity spinach. And the longevity spinach especially thrives in the beginning of fall. So at this point, it's nice to have it kind of protected by these Armenian cucumber vines. Just another great way to layer your plants, get the most productivity out of a smaller area. We'll just go around and harvest some of these leaves here. This is a nice mild green. Great for smoothies, good for sautés, so it'd be great in a breakfast burrito. Longevity spinach is known botanically as Gennaro Procumbens, if you're interested in growing this plant. This is perennialized here in Zone 9B. Very easy to propagate through cutting. So like this stem right here, you could just cut off a section with at least 3 nodes on it and either put that in some potting mix or just put it in some water and it'll begin to root. You can easily spread this plant. Just a couple seconds, got a nice handful of greens. Now let's grab some cherry tomatoes. Oh, goji berry break. Oh.
Very nice. Oh.
These are the Sweet 100 cherry tomatoes. I've never had these. They're widely available at nurseries and such. Absolutely delicious little cherry tomato. Very prolific. That looks like breakfast to me. What do you think?
Oh, it's delicious. Bet me, if I cook, you cannot tell your name.
I bet you. I bet you you're right. All right, so off to the kitchen we go. All right, so here's all those ingredients now prepped. We've got the longevity spinach. We got some garlic that we harvested earlier this season, some onion, the green part of the onion. We've got some chopped cherry tomato, the potatoes cubed up, and the eggs. And we're going to be wrapping that in. We got a couple different choices of wraps. This is a whole wheat organic wrap, and this is a garden spinach herb wrap. Both of them are really tasty.
when a little bit it brown. The reason why I do this first, honey, to smell good.
So we'll let that garlic saute up for a minute, add in the onions and the potatoes. In go the potatoes. And in go the greens. Here, I'll help out a little bit here and get the eggs ready. Got a little bit of Himalayan salt in there, and a little pepper. Give that another quick whisk. Alright, that's ready to go in. Alright, now it's time to add in the eggs. The potatoes are soft. So we're just going to heat up these wraps in a hot pan, about 20 seconds on each side. Alright, now we're just going to spoon in our ingredients here. And we'll just drizzle some chunky salsa right over the top. And we'll just sprinkle a few scallions, green onion, over the top. And we'll just wrap this on up. Bam. Let me give this a try for you. That is delicious.
Like it?
Love it.
I like it too.
Give me 5. This is a really quick and easy recipe. Anyone can make this. And until next time, this is Dan and Alice from plantabundance.com. Wishing you all a great rest of your day. We'll be talking to you soon. Take care.
Bye.
Cheers, honey.
It's good. Love it.
Well guys, that was our breakfast recipe. We're also going to be doing lunch and dinner out of the garden today. For lunch, some spiralized zucchini pasta with some green juice. And for dinner, a soup or stew. It's one of my favorite ways to utilize produce coming out of the garden is just to chop up whatever's ripe and ready, put it in a pot with some bouillon, some stock, and put in some tomato sauce or stewed tomatoes, and just make up a delicious soup. Put that over some rice if you want. And so that's what we're planning on doing. Anyways, if you guys like these type of videos, let us know in the comments below, and maybe we'll post the lunch and or dinner video after this video as well. But just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you're all having a good one. Talk to you soon. Once again, we got some thirsty bees and paper wasps coming in for a drink. And look at all the little fish. They are growing up quick.